welcome back to my channel. So today I did a really fun video for you guys, which is a fun neon wearable pink look. So I collabed today with my friend Adorable Ashely here on YouTube. I absolutely love her videos, and this is my first collab ever on my channel, and I'm so freaking excited. I decided to do basically a little bit of a challenge to do a wearable and full glam version of neon look. So a neon look is such a fun way to experiment and to play up and have fun with your everyday regular routine. So I decided to do the wearable and she decided to do the full glam. So if you want to see her take on the neon look, go ahead and head to her channel, but watch this video first and then go ahead on her channel. Her video will be linked down below, and also her channel will be linked down below. Also follow her on Instagram. She has awesome pictures for you guys to see. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Adorably. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Alright, so I've already done my base, meaning my foundation and my concealer. For my foundation, I ended up using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Natural Beige. For the concealer, same thing. It's the Born This Way concealer, Natural Radiant in Fair. So you could just grab whatever liner you want. You could grab a pencil liner, you can grab a liquid liner, a gel liner, whatever you want. I'm just gonna use a liquid black liner from NYX. Yeah, what I like to do is I like to take off all of the product off of the brush, because I hate the fact that all of the product is like back here rather than the tip. So then I'm gonna go back in with the tip and then just dip into the product again and then apply this onto my eyes. So I'm going to start from where the end of my eye is and then just create a straight line just like so. And then from wherever my eye creases, that is where I'm going to bring the liner in. Sorry guys, I'm like doing this from far away. Hold on, let me grab a mirror before I mess this up. Ah! So you can make this as thick, skinny as possible. I'm gonna try to do it as thin as possible because I have small eyes and I want to make sure that it's not gonna cover up basically my entire lid. It took me literally forever to try to learn how to do eyeliner, especially wing liner. Oh my goodness. If you guys have hooded eyes, let me know down below because I know the struggle. Because you could literally try to do the smallest wing liner and then it ends up being just the thickest thing ever, and it just covers up everything. By everything, I literally mean like the entire eye look, and then it's just done for. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna turn this way so you guys can see. Hopefully I don't jack this up. Now I've got both of my eyeliner on, both winged liner on. This one took me a while because this eye is different from this eye. I don't know, my eyes are weird, let me just tell you. Take a really skinny pencil, black liner pencil like this. This is from Almay. It's just a black liner pencil, and I'm going to line the top waterline because I want to make sure that there is no separation between the lashes and the eyeliner. It's just gonna look really dark and defined and uniformed. So I'm just gonna line my top waterline. Boom. Now for the fun part, which is the yellow, what am I saying? Which is gonna be the neon pink. I'm gonna line the neon pink right on top of the black liner that we use. So I'm gonna take a angled brush like this. This is from Equal Tools. It's a little dirty, but I tried my hardest to clean it off of this makeup wipe, which is also dirty, but whatever. Well, I'm gonna use this little angled brush to line it right on top of that pink, right on top of the winged liner that we just did. And I want the neon pink to be poppin' and vibrant. So in order for me to do that, I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray onto the brush too. And this is just, you can use any setting spray. This is just the one that I use every single time for my brushes. So I'm using the Pure Festival palette that I got from my BoxyCharm. And I'm gonna use this bright neon pink called Wild Child. And I'm gonna dip my brush into it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in and start lining the neon pink. Just right on top. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna just do it on the other side. So again, I'm just gonna dip my brush in there and then start lining. If I could stop shaking. Oh my god, I shake too much. It's like very nerve-wracking. Okay, I might have to go back in with the Pro Setting Spray just to spray my brush one more time. So I'm gonna spray it twice. And then it's just as simple as that. It's just as simple as that. As you can see, it's so freaking cute. I love it. Okay, so moving into the mascara. So I'm going to curl my lashes. All right, so I am gonna put on fake lashes. I am gonna put on false lashes. So I'll be right back because it's gonna take a little while. Okay, after 10 million years of me attempting to do my eyelashes, I finally got them on. Okay, so the eyelashes basically take over the neon that we did put on, but that's what makes it very subtle. That's what makes it very wearable. You can obviously add to it. You can add more color to the wing liner, or just not put on lashes whatsoever, or just put a little bit more. I mean, put some I guess underwhelming ones, just look very natural ones. I put really big ones because these are the only ones that I had. We're gonna go in with the base products. I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl bronzer. This is, I got this for like $2 at Target. This one doesn't have a name. It just says bronzer. Oh wait, no. It's called Copper Radiance. Ta-da! Radiant. Oops, just dropped the brush, but I never used those anyways. Those are disposable to me. So I'm gonna take this big little fluffy brush. This is from Farrah. It's just a big fluffy brush. And I'm gonna take this Lumi Radiant Blush from AOA, and it's called Golden Apricot. For that, I want to apply some highlighting, and I'm gonna use my Too Faced Candlelight Highlight, and using my Real Techniques brush, swirling it all in together. Just apply that right on top. Now for the fun part, which is the lips. So for the lips, I wanted to make it very nice and pink and nudish. So let's see what I cook up here. Take my Wet n Wild gel lip liner, and this is in the color Bear to Comment. Go in with my ColourPop lipstick. This is called What's Your Sign from the Zodiac collection that they made with Kathleen Lights. So I'm just gonna apply that right on top of the lip liner. And that's it. This is the final look. Great, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload. And follow me on all my social media at Adorably. Everything will be linked down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah.